really thought these were gonna be cute, but I feel like the reflection is gonna just be annoying, but it's still a pink eye, guys. I haven't vlogged in a very long time. I feel like I've just been kind of in a slump, and creatively, and just like kind of discouraged, to be quite honest with you. So I haven't really been like posting. I've been brainstorming other video ideas and other things like that, and working on other content-y stuff. So that's why I haven't vlogged in a while, but I hope you guys are doing well. It's the 29th of April, which is crazy. We've officially been in quarantine for like an entire month. Like April 2020, we stayed inside. Pretty crazy to think about. I have a couple things planned for this video because I've been just kind of meaning to do it and putting it off, but I have like a couple things to show you guys and like a PR haul. I feel like I just don't want to vlog and like show my face on camera when I've been dealing with this pink eye for what feels like 2 weeks now. I did have a call with the doctor yesterday to get some prescription, and so I'm hopefully going to be picking that up today. It's just so annoying when your whole job revolves around you being in front of a camera and you can't like wear your proper makeup and stuff. I know it's not the end of the world, obviously, but it's annoying for me, so that's what I'm dealing with. Today is a very exciting day though, because I'm going to be on Brittany's podcast. Brittany and Kelly, they started a podcast. I will have a link to it down below. They have a bunch of episodes out already, and I know they've been really on it with like, you know, obviously posting one every single day. Every single day, could you imagine? Every single week. Yeah, so if you want to go check out their podcast, you can find it on, I listen to my podcast on the podcast app, but I think they're on Spotify too. It's Not Your Therapist, with an S at the end, because there's 2 of them. And so today we are actually going to be talking about like paranormal, tarot, gut instincts, like a bunch of stuff that I have never shared. I feel like I have cat hair everywhere. I have never shared with you guys on this channel. I don't really talk about with a lot of my friends, but I do have a lot to say about that kind of world, if that makes sense. So if you guys are interested in hearing me talk about more of that and hearing them and hearing our stories, and I think Brittany's gonna do like a tarot reading in the episode for us, it's gonna be really cool. So you guys should definitely go check it out and follow their Instagram so you know when the episode is up. Also, if you guys haven't seen my last video where I did a bunch of DIY projects, definitely go check it out. I honestly kind of thought a lot more of you guys would like that video, so maybe it didn't go out to subscription boxes or something, but anyway, regardless, I made this painting. It's super cute and I've really been loving it. I also got a new edition of my pampas grass here, so I picked up another stem, this like really tall, kind of purpley tinted one in the back. I got that from a local shop recently. I think the pampas is from Holland, which is like crazy. Does it bother me that all of these pampas grasses are different? Absolutely. Let's not talk about it. Eventually, when I get a new vase, I'm gonna remove the like smaller fluffy ones and put those in a different location, but for right now it has to be that way, so let's just leave it. And then every few days or so I'll rotate this pothos, I think that's what it is, so the sunlight like gets different areas so it'll grow, and I'm so happy that she's growing and that she can hang off the side. It's so beautiful. And then this one is thriving now that I don't let snakes near it. I protect this plant with every ounce of my being because I do not want him to ruin it. So anyway, that's my new setup over here. Let's do a haul. So I thought I would sit down and show you guys a couple things I got in the mail recently. I did place an order on Zara, so I have those things to show you. And then I also have a Sephora order. Well, I ordered 2 separate times from the Sephora sale, and so I have one of the boxes I'm still waiting on one, and normally I do like a recommendations or a haul video type of thing on my channel, and you guys seem to really like those. But I was just planning on including it in like a vlog or something, because I feel like it's kind of weird to like post a video like that, like a proper haul. But let me know if you guys would want that anyway. Just like, I feel like I have enough stuff to like do an actual full video just on that, but you guys let me know. Either way, I will show you once that package comes in some way or another. But I did get a package in from L'Oreal Luxe. They send a PR package like seasonally, I think now. Anyway, they send it in like the most amazing package that's like eco-friendly and stuff. And so the few things I got in that, I got a I never know how to pronounce this. This is a cologne. I actually have a different version of it that's already open, in which I can show you. It's the Clementine one, so it smells like oranges and it's like California scented. This was like a limited edition bottle, but it is so beautiful, and I'm assuming this is just the regular one, but since I already have this one, this will probably just go into a giveaway pile, which, by the way, there is a giveaway happening on my Instagram right now for some skincare stuff if you live in Canada. So go check that out. I'll have a link down below. The next thing is from Urban Decay. This is their Wired palette. Very colorful. That's what she looks like there. So fun. I had to run to my bathroom to get this product because I already started using it. This is the Kerastase Thermal. It's an anti-hair fall fortifying blow dry fluid. There's so many words on this package. This is a blow dry fluid, so it's a spray that you put in your hair before you blow dry, and I love Kerastase products. I feel like they're so bougie, so fancy, and they smell so good. Like, they make your hair smell so good. This smells like a cologne almost. It's delicious. So I love that, and I've already started using that. I also got the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus cream. This is not open. You guys have all seen this. I'm kind of excited to try this again because it's been a while. I got a Hydrozen Anti-Stress Glow Liquid Moisturizer from Lancome. Anti-stress. We could all use that right about now. Or at least I could. I don't know about you. So pretty. I want to swatch this. Swatch it? Do you swatch moisturizer? You do now. It's very like serum, like very light scent, which is nice. I'm into it. I'm into it. Very glowy. All right, and the last thing I received in that package was a YSL Paris perfume. I do have another bag here that I just realized I haven't really opened. This is from YSL. They sent some lip products, so I'll just quickly show you those too. Okay, I really don't know how to pronounce this. They're called the Something Couture Velvet Cream Velvet Matte Stain. So here are all the shades. We got 205, 201, 208, and then this one I'm probably the most excited about, 216. Looks like this. Let's swatch this one. They're all matte packaging. Very beautiful. That's what the applicator looks like. A little angled doe foot. Ooh. That's pretty. I'm into it. I really, really like this color. New angle, new package. We're gonna open up this Zara package. It came really fast, actually. A lot of stuff has been shipping super slow, but it just came pretty quickly. If I remember correctly, all I bought was jean shorts and jeans, so all bottoms, but they make some really good bottoms. And I had a pair of shorts. There's the backstory. I had a pair of shorts from last summer that I just loved, and I wore them literally every single day. I love them so much that I saw a very similar pair on their website in like all the colors, and I was like, these are gonna sell out. Maybe I'm not chancing it if they're the ones that I like. So anyway, I'll show you those. But I got this pair of high-rise Bermuda. They're mom jeans, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the mom fit. For sizing, I got this in an 8. I feel like this will be good because the bottom is a little bit wider. Yeah, those are cute, just a standard denim. And I know that like I can't wear jean shorts right now, or shorts in general. It got like super gloomy, but like a few weeks ago I totally could have, because it was getting quite warm. So I'm just preparing for the time in which we can go out in the world. All right, here are the mom jean shorts. I don't know, they fit very similar to the American Apparel jean shorts that I know and love, but there's kind of a lot of fabric here, for my body anyway. They fit decent around the waist, although still like a little bit of a gap. I do like how long they are, and they fit, you know, around my thighs and stuff, so that's nice, but I feel like there's just like a little bit too much fabric here. I don't know. Okay, so these are the ones that are very similar to the ones I had last year, but I got them in black, so they're like a ripped denim. I got this in a 6, a smaller size, because I thought that they were a little bit more open near the thighs, so I could size down in the waist, because the ones I have from last year, I can't remember, they're like in storage, but they were a little bit wide on my waist, so I wanted to tighten that up and see if this works, so I got black. I also got that same pair in white because I don't have any white jeans and I thought it'd be fun to have them, so got the exact pair. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, about the size on this, so hoping for the best. And then the last thing I got was a pair of jeans. I have no idea what these are gonna fit like. They are they actually called carrot jeans? Not sure about the carrot part. And I got these in a size 40 US 8. I like the end. I do really hate, this is a pet peeve of mine with jeans, that they just like cut off on the end and they don't have like a proper like seam. So I really appreciate that, and I like that. I feel like these might be okay. They're gonna be like so high-waisted. They might be too big on me, honestly. Here's a look at the jeans. They're definitely high-waisted because my belly button is like right here, so they definitely like are extra high-rise. I don't know if I would size down because like they fit in my thighs, but they're like a little bit loose here and like back here. I definitely can like, you know, tighten that up. Ankle length. There you go. I love the wash. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like how high-waisted they are, but I'm wondering if I need to size down. They have a little bit of stretch, but they're quite tight here, so. This is the problem with online shopping, but you know, at least they fit. Sometimes you get jeans in the mail and they don't even fit, so. Also, what's with the carrot? I really still don't understand that part. Just got back from the grocery store, picked up quite a few things. Our list was not that long, but we ended up with quite a few things, so I thought I would show you guys what we got. What was that? Nice. Good intro. All right, so I have all of the grocery items here. We got a lot of doubles, and this is by no means a healthy grocery haul. We went in with the intention of like a few essentials and snacks. So take that as you will. First up, we got 2 cartons of eggs because we go through these a lot. Very fast. A lot? I don't know. Whatever. We got eggs. We got my favorite bread. This is the Silver Hills Sprouted Power Little Big Bread. So I like it because they're very thin slices and they're not horrible for you. Along with those bread products, we also got English muffins, and then I got 2 packages of my Odo's bagels. These are vegan, gluten-free, everything bagels, and they're so good, and they were on sale, so I got 2 packages. Lots of bread products. I keep walking over there to transfer things, but it makes no sense because I'm gonna have to actually put them away properly like after this, so I don't know why I'm doing that. Anyway, got some raspberries. That was healthy. We got another thing of celery for more celery juice. We got 3 yams, hold for litter box. We also picked up about 6 avocados, and this is something definitely not healthy, but I have been wanting to try this Oreo creamer. We only buy like dairy-free creamers for the most part, and like usually sugar-free, so this is like a weekend coffee treat that I'm very excited to try. And then we also got some bacon, we got some shredded cheese. We also picked up 2 bags of the popcorners. They have a bunch of flavors available in Canada now, and the sweet and salty kettle corn are by far my favorite. They are so flipping good. They're so tasty, and having things like this on the weekend to have when you're like watching TV and stuff is really nice. Got another bundle of bananas, probably for more banana bread or something, because I want to go back to making my mom's recipe. And then the rest of the stuff I think here are like definitely treats. I got 2 Smart Sweets. I got the fish and the berry bears. These are my favorite. These are like my top favorite, but if you haven't tried Smart Sweets, they're so good. This was a random thing, but I wanted some like chocolate, so I got chocolate covered raisins. More coffee creamers. We got a regular coffee creamer and the vanilla silk coconut for coffee. This one's good. It does have sugar, but it's really good. And then we got the Tonight Dough Ben & Jerry's. Again, more weekend treats. Bark Thins is one of my favorite like snacking chocolate type things because they're a little bit better for you. They're dark chocolate. This one has pumpkin seeds in it, which we haven't tried this one, so I'm a little nervous. I prefer the almond one. I like the almond one. And then Cody picked up Kit Kat cookie crumble bits. I think that's pretty much it. Was that it? Oh, and Cody got some of these sparkling waters. These are really good with gin. This flavor is really good. This is a peach one, peach and honey, which is really tasty, and we just have that on the weekend with gin, like just the 2, because we drink gin sodas anyway. And then this one, lime and watermelon, is also really tasty, so he got like a couple of those to have. He does drink them by itself, but I drink them with gin. So yeah, that is pretty much my haul for right now. I'm going to wipe all of these down and put them away. had dinner. It was delicious, and I decided to make myself a cup of tea because I have been off my tea game and I miss it. So I made myself the David's Tea Skinny. It does have a bit of caffeine, so I'm not gonna let it steep for too long, but I am planning on like having a shower and like doing some self tanner tonight. So anyway, I wanted to come on because this is the time of night that I'll usually have like a little treat, and I wanted to try the bark thins with the pumpkin seeds. I wanted to do a live taste test for you on camera. If you guys have never had bark thins, they come in just like chunks essentially, so I chose the smaller one. Let's give it a go. Doesn't really taste like much. I feel like with the almond it like feels like chocolate covered almonds. Not bad. Not my favorite, but not bad. I think you'll like them, Cody. They're like, they have the sea salt and everything still, but yeah, I don't know. Pumpkin seeds are really good for you, so there's that. You wanna try it? So I'm gonna go drink this in front of the computer, probably do a little bit more work, watch some YouTube, and then hop in the shower.